Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and we have made it past hump day. 2 days left and the weekend will be here. All right, you all, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a nice watch face I think you might like. Faces. Now this one here is called DW5A watch face. This is not a bad look at all, but what's most important is that the always on mode is kind of unique. I kind of like it, right? But when the watch face is on, you're gonna get all the info you can ever need. You got your heart rate at the top, you get miles walked around, you get your shortcuts, settings, you can make a phone call, weather, and it is interactive, so if you tap on it, you can go in and get your weather info, get your digital time. You also get your goal completed right here, battery info right there, and you also get the days of the week down at the bottom, highlighted in red, lets you know what day it is, and down at the bottom you get your step info, 22,000. This is the average day. That's not bad, but it is interactive, so if I need to go in further to get more of my status on my step activity, I can. And if I tap up here, I can get my heart rate info. That's not bad at all. And I can customize the color as well with a double tap. So if you want to customize the background, blue, red, green, you have a few colors and all. It's not a bad look at all. I thought it was pretty cool. All right, you all, that's number one. Let's check out watch face number two. Number two is called DW11 App Launcher. Now this is a nice watch face app, so if you're into shortcuts, then this watch face is for you. And in the always on mode, I like this unique look. You're going to be able to see everything that's important to you at a glance. When the watch face is on, yes, shortcut for days. We'll talk about that in a second, but I really like the layout of the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch up at the top. But up under that, you're going to get info on floors climbed, miles walked around. You're going to get your heart rate info. You're going to get a nice digital time with a PM stamp. Right up under that, you're going to get the days of the week. Highlighted in red is going to let you know what day it is. Also, right up under that, you're going to get your goal completed. I completed 111, and my step count was 22,000. Also, you get info on your battery life as well. Right up under that, you're going to get info on your digital date and your day along with the year. So let's talk about these app shortcuts. What I like that this guy gave us is the most important, the essentials, right? Let's talk about email, text message, contact, to make a phone call. You got settings, you got music and weather, which are important, at least to me they are. And then you got S Health, and then you can go to your photos to show people pictures of your baby or your wife or your whoever, right? But I'm liking this look, and it is interactive, so if I need to tap on one, like I want to play my music or I want to get the weather, I can go into it. It's not just sitting there for show. You can't customize it, you can't change the layout or anything like that. And also, if I tap on the digital time, I can set an alarm if I so choose, but if I tap right up under it, double tap, I can change the shade of the icons, which gives it a different look. I like this one most of all. I think this is awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.